Hello, good people. How are you? My very good name is Christabel, and this is my YouTube channel, Doing Life with Chris. And on your screen, you can see that I am making amazing things. Yesterday is Sunday, and Sunday I like to make breakfasts. Throughout the week, I am not able to do much. So today I have decided to make spring rolls and what I am choosing to call potato pancakes. I know there are very many versions of potato pancakes. Don't come at me. This is my version of potato pancakes. So
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
started with peeling my potatoes, and then I peeled my spring onions and then chopped my carrots. And so I am going to boil my potatoes until they are tender and soft, and then I'm going to add the green part of my spring onions. The white part of the spring onions I boil together with my potatoes because they give them an amazing taste. Try it. So after I boiled my potatoes until they were tender, I added the green part of the spring onions and the diced carrots, which I had mincedly. Is it called mincing? I had mincedly chopped. If there's even that kind of a word in English. So yeah, that is me showing you what I have done. And then I added some milk, and then I also added some cornstarch, about 2 tablespoons, just to bring all my ingredients together and to ensure that it doesn't stick. I formed potato balls, and that is me deep frying in hot oil. So you deep fry them until they are nice and golden brown. Now the beauty about adding your vegetables, that is carrots and the green part of the spring onions, before after you have already boiled your potatoes, is that they give the potato some texture. It doesn't taste like baby food when you eat it. I moved on to making my spring rolls, and that is me cutting up cabbage, cutting up all the vegetables that I'm going to use. In this video, I'm just going to make spring rolls using cabbage and shredded carrots. So if you have a carrot shredder, more power to you. So Mr. Magondo is ready for church, and Mrs. Magondo is getting pretty late for breakfast. So it's time for me to hurry it up. Step on the gas, like Fabian keeps telling me. So I forgot to take a video of the part where I was making the dough for the spring rolls. But worry not, if you know how to make chapati dough, it is exactly like chapati dough. You do not even put any leavener. We are not using yeast in this recipe. We are not using baking powder in this recipe. We're just going to add a little bit of garlic powder just 4. You cut up your dough into small balls, I would say about 80 to 90 grams heavy, and then roll it out in that round shape and then stack like 5 together. And the rule of the game is you roll, you oil, you dust with some flour, and then you stack another one together. And that is me using my my not so demure plate to size up the size that I want to cut up. Now at this point I would advise you not to do how I did it, because I realized that cutting the cutting the shapes before you fry the way I was doing on the pan sort of seals the edges, so I had a bit of a trouble bringing them apart the way I am doing on this part. It was not so bad, but I would advise that you dry them on the pan first, and then you remove them the way I'm doing, and then stack them together again and cut the round shape. All right.